guys, I am making Italian meringue buttercream. So when it comes to any sort of icing of cake, this is my top choice because this I think is just so light and fluffy, not too sweet, doesn't feel heavy. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make this. I'm going to start with 250 grams of caster sugar, and it's best to use normal pan, not non-stick pan, because there are more chances of sugar crystallizing in that. And to this I'm going to add 100 ml of water. And I'm going to take this to the hob now. Cook this on medium heat and just move this around till your sugar has melted. So as you can see, there are no lumps or anything, and that's when you leave it alone. So once the sugar syrup starts bubbling, we're going to put the thermometer in there and keep an eye out because we need to get to the hard ball. While the sugar syrup is getting ready, I have got 5 large egg whites in here, and I'm going to get everything ready to start whisking. Once the temperature reaches 260 Fahrenheit, we're going to start whisking the egg whites because we want to get them to soft peaks before we add the sugar. Now we'll keep whisking the egg whites and slowly add the sugar syrup and whisk it continuously for 8 to 10 minutes until the mixture has become a proper meringue and has cooled down completely. So you can see the mixture is really fluffy and a beautiful meringue. I'm going to restart the whisk and add 500 grams of softened butter to this, a little bit at a time. Just break little pieces of butter by hand. Slowly you'll see the mixture will start splitting up, but don't worry, keep adding the butter. And now it's turning into a smooth buttercream. So here we have this beautifully silky smooth, light fluffy buttercream, and the best bit is you can add all sorts of flavors to this, from vanilla to coffee to Nutella to ganache, anything. You can add a bit of that and make it your own. So yeah, please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe, and I'll see you next week with a brand new recipe. Bye for now.